This lesson will teach you to insert inline, internal, and external style sheets into a web page. Let's organize a workspace. Create a folder, name it Soft School, and open it. Then, create a folder, name it CSS, and open it. Create a folder and name it Styles. Next, find the index.html file under this video and download it. Put the file into the Styles folder. Run Visual Studio Code and open the Styles folder in the sidebar. Then open the index.html file and set the word wrap option to see the whole code. Next, open the index.html file in a browser. Let's insert inline styles into the web page. Add the style attribute to the body tag. Next, set the background color for the element. Save the changes in the file, go to the browser, and refresh the web page. Then open VS Code and set some styles for the paragraphs. We will learn these properties in the next lessons. Save the changes in the file and check the result in the browser after every change to see if the property works. Let's transform inline styles into internal styles. For this purpose, put the style tag into the head tag. Then use selectors and declaration blocks. For example, we can choose the body element and set its background color. The code must be clean, so don't forget to delete the inline style for this element. Save the changes in the file and check the result in the browser. Next, transform inline styles into internal styles for the paragraphs. In this case, the P selector chooses all paragraphs from the web page, so you don't need to style each paragraph. Imagine a situation when you have 100 paragraphs on a web page with an inline style. For instance, you need to change the text color in all of them. You must change a color value 100 times. However, the internal styles allow you to make only one change, setting another color text for 100 paragraphs. Let's transform internal styles into external styles. For this purpose, create a new file in the Styles folder and name the file Styles CSS. Then organize the file into two columns. Next, move the code from the style tag to the style CSS file and delete the style tag in the index.html file. Save the changes in both files and check the result in the browser. We can see the web page without styles. Add styles to the web page. For this purpose, we need to put a reference to the style CSS file into the index.html file using the link tag. Now, change the code yourself and solve workbook exercises to improve your knowledge and skills.